A sprain is an injury into ligament. A ligament is a thick, tough, fiber tissues that connect bones together. Commonly injured ligaments are in the ankle, knee, and wrist. The ligament can be injured by being stretched too far from the normal position. The purpose of having ligaments is to hold your skeleton together in a normal alignment. Ligaments prevent abnormal movements. However, when there's too much force applied to a ligament, such as in a fall, the ligaments can be stretched or turned. This injury is called a sprain. A strain is an injury to a muscle or tendon. Muscles are made to stretch, but if stretched too far or stretched while contracting, an injury called strain may result. A strain can either be stretching or tear or a muscle of tendon. The symptoms of a strain are typically pain, swelling, and bruising of the affected joint. The symptoms will vary the intensity of the injury. More significant ligament tears. Grade 3 injuries cause inability to use the affected joint and may lead to joint disability. The serious injury grade 1 may only cause pain with movement.